Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kamigalia Board of School Education mentakasngi kalapan bana ya ka result jong ka higher secondary school living certificate haka science bat ka commerce stream haka ba kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School kalayo ya ka Kyrdan ka bahakli haka science bat ka St Mary's Higher Secondary School kalawan haka Kyrdan ka Khmat haka commerce usohan bata chargi jong kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo ya ka Kyrdan ka Ningkong haka science haka ba ulayo sauspa prapulai marks kat ba naka St Mary's ka Ferry Filarisha 1 kalayo ya ka Kyrdan ba Ningkong haka commerce ka balayo sauspa hanyo puar marks haka Kyrdan ka baar haka science stream layo naka St Edmunds Higher Secondary School lingba u Gordon kupar Nongbah bat haka Kyrdan ka balai layo da ar maker marpana na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kat ba ka Kyrdan ka baar haka commerce layo naka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School lingba u Rajpal bat kidan langut kibayo ya ka Kyrdan ka balai kiba kentup ya u Pongkach Duta jong kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School nangta ka Pinky Kumari na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School bat Aditya Prasad bat na Don Bosco College Secondary Section Natura kiway pat ki khana kibalayo haka top 10 naga science stream ki kentup ya u Aniket Patanayak jong kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School bat ka ame ba ai hun shisha kharbhi jong ka St Anthony's kibalayo haka Kyrdan ka basaw karila akor lamare na St Anthony's haka Kyrdan ka basan uke van sangpui na St Edmunds bat weibha nong tru lakyang na North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai kibalayo haka Kyrdan ka bahenriu ujo savya onan paswet na North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jawai haka Kyrdan ka bahenyo u Abhijit Dab na Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School haka Kyrdan ka baphra u Freddy Lingkhoi na Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School bat u Edward Polong Lamare na St Edmunds Higher Secondary School kilayo ya ka Kyrdan ka bakhandai bat u Kevin Strong Laurinyang na Mairang Presbyterian Science College Higher Secondary Section ubayo ya ka Kyrdan ka bashipho hakalyang ka commerce pat kanialina bani Nongbah na St Anthony's bat u Ryan Surong Merthong na St Edmunds kibalayo lang ya ka Kyrdan ka basaw u Isha Kharsotun na St Anthony's haka Kyrdan ka basan Sneha Paul na St Edmunds bahanriu u Dikki Nongplu na Shillong College Higher Secondary Education bahanyo u Imazul Haq Laskar na Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School haka Kyrdan bafra ka Alpi Clarissa Warjri na St Mary's Higher Secondary School Makhandai bat u Jagjot Singh na Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo ubalayo ya ka Kyrdan ka bashipho haba khen ka lome baro ki pass haka science stream kilong prapusan point 8% kadba na ka commerce part baro kilong prapho point 8.3%